Today we are learning a very important Korean grammar, 그래서. 그래서 means so, therefore, or that's why. We use 그래서 to connect a reason with a result. First comes the cause, then 그래서, then the result. Now let's practice with 20 sentences using 그래서.
배가 고팠어요. 그래서 밥을 먹었어요. I was hungry, so I ate food. 비가 많이 왔어요. 그래서 우산을 썼어요. It rained a lot, so I used an umbrella. 너무 피곤했어요. 그래서 일찍 잤어요. I was very tired, so I slept early. 버스를 놓쳤어요. 그래서 택시를 탔어요. I missed the bus, so I took a taxi. 길이 막혔어요. 그래서 늦었어요. The road was jammed, so I was late. 시험이 어려웠어요. 그래서 긴장했어요. The exam was difficult, so I was nervous. 너무 더웠어요. 그래서 에어컨을 켰어요. It was very hot, so I turned on the air conditioner. 약속이 있었어요. 그래서 일찍 나갔어요. I had an appointment, so I left early. 시험을 잘 봤어요. 그래서 기분이 좋았어요. I did well on the test, so I felt good.
날씨가 추웠어요. 그래서 코트를 입었어요.
It was cold, so I wore a coat.
시간이 없었어요. 그래서 빨리 갔어요.
I had no time, so I went quickly.
돈이 없었어요. 그래서 못 샀어요.
I had no money, so I couldn't buy it.
친구가 아팠어요. 그래서 병원에 갔어요.
My friend was sick, so he went to the hospital.
배터리가 없었어요. 그래서 전화를 못 했어요.
My battery was dead, so I couldn't call.
길을 몰랐어요. 그래서 지도를 봤어요.
I didn't know the way, so I checked the map. 수업이 재미있었어요. 그래서 집중했어요. The class was interesting, so I focused. 비행기를 놓쳤어요. 그래서 다음 비행기를 탔어요. I missed the flight, so I took the next one. 커피가 필요했어요. 그래서 카페에 갔어요. I needed coffee, so I went to a cafe.